This video is going to show how to generate a PDF of your PCB design in OrCAD X. Since some external design stakeholders may not have access to OrCAD design software, a PDF can be shared in place of the design files. For a thorough review of the design, a PDF should be created for both the schematic and PCB. For this how-to, a reference design with artwork films fully defined is provided as an example. PDF documentation can be generated through LiveDoc or as part of the manufacturing documentation. To open and view the manufacturing documentation, select Manufacturing, Export to Manufacturing from the menu. The Exports window opens, showing the available films to export in the default settings. Here you can configure what artwork films you want in your exported file. For this example, uncheck the option for Fabrication IPC 2581 to skip it. Artwork film should be checked and verified before a PDF is generated. To do this, select Configure Artwork Films at the bottom of the window. The list of films opens. Scroll through the list to view the films. All required films are present in this design and will be printed to the PDF. Click OK to return to the Exports window. Now let's define the film we want to export. The full PDF export is defined as Artwork Film Record PDFs in the Export window. Scroll to the bottom of the window to the empty field. Enter Artwork Film Record PDF and click the plus sign to create the export category. Select Artwork Film Record PDFs from the drop-down and click the plus sign to add to the export list. Select the new entry and configure the settings on the right side of the window as required. Uncheck the option for Archive to save the PDF directly in your working directory, as it is only one file. We are ready to export the PDF. Click Export. A prompt appears saying that the current Gerber layer definitions will be replaced. Click OK to ignore this warning and proceed. Click Close to close the Exports window. To view the PDF, open File Explorer and browse to your working directory. The PDF is saved in a folder with the board name followed by the name of the category. Open the PDF in your preferred PDF viewer. Each artwork film is printed on its own page. Additionally, you can open the index on the PDF viewer to quickly change films. Select the desired film to view it. Quickly and easily generate a PDF of your PCB films with PDF export in OrCAD X. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.